Hello guys, here we'll just start the implementation part of web crawler case study. So we just for the implementation we'll open Jupyter notebook, right? And you can also open it by writing on a command line or PowerShell. So the it is our Jupyter notebook, and I'll make here a Python. So I already opened the I already copied the code, and I'll just directly paste it here. So you can see like this code snippets, that's the code of web crawling. And I have explained this code already there in my LinkedIn article, so you can check it. I have took the reference of this code from this case study reference from Audacity, and that's the Audacity nano degree program there. So I have took this reference from there, and that's the good case study for like anyone who knows Python and who want to do like more learning in Python. So they can do this kind of case study. Like that's very interesting for me, and like this you can see this kind of case study more. So like it's scraping the so you can just go through it for implementation part and study. So that's the just normal case study. Like we have seen this kind of URL here. So as we can see this URL, that's the random Wikipedia article. So my internet is slow, just you need to wait for a while. Just it's nice. So it's random article, right? I will refresh it multiple times so I can see that every time the new article arrive. So that's just random Wikipedia article page. So we can see that the first article, first paragraph, we can see the first link here. So we just need to click there and we'll reach the next article, and after that we'll again get the first paragraph, and here first paragraph, it's the first link, we'll just click it. So we need to do this iteration in the loop for multiple times. Every time we need to get the first article link, and we need to go through it, right? I need to write this kind of code here. So you need to think about it and how to write, what should be the correct format. You should have some knowledge of like HTML, right? Here, so that's the code I have already given. So it's my case study, and like as we can see, we have it's doing their work. This code is running correctly, so we can see that, and it will stop automatically when like I have already mentioned there. Like sorry, wait, where is like max steps, that's condition here. Max step is equals to 25, and it will automatically stop if I get a philosophy page. I have already mentioned this here, right? Like target URL hit. So, and what is our target URL here? Target URL is philosophy page. Okay, so that's the case study happened, and we arrived an article we have already seen. So we have arrived an article that I have already mentioned the one of the other condition. There's some of the conditions I have mentioned. You can check out the code and you can see easily. So that's it. That's my case study for the LinkedIn, and I have I will upload it on GitHub too. So you can check the README file and you can use it code. That's free, and that's thank you for watching.